Oh, hi there! If you're thinking of buying your first caravan, this video is for you. I'm sure you got lots of questions. There is one question that no one wants to answer, not over the internet. Hi, I'm Marcin from Barts Away. Normally, there is Magda, my wife, with me and our daughter Natalia. But because this episode is more technical, they allow me to do that by myself. So I hope you like it. So guys, a few updates first. I'm gonna do the series of probably 3 or 4 different episodes about how to buy a new caravan, or actually second-hand caravan. I'll give you some advices, pros and cons, how to check if it's damp inside, what else you need to get before your first trip, etc, etc, all of those. If you want to see more content about caravaning, let me know in the comment and leave the like button so I will know that I need to produce more films like this. Anyway, next week from 22nd February to 27th of February there is a Caravan and Motorhome Show in Birmingham. I'm sure most of you knows about it already, and most of you going there, I hope. Anyway, we are going there, or at least part of us. Because we are at Lake District at that time, I will drive from Lake District to the show on Tuesday. I'll spend the whole day and then I will come back at the rest of our trip in Lake District. If any of you will be there on Tuesday, please let me know in the comment below and I'm happy to meet you there for coffee. Maybe we can record something together or just to say hi. So, just before Christmas, Casey Neistat, which I hope you know, if not, he's like a godfather of YouTube, he announced that he will be doing his first filming school. And I signed up for that just because I want those videos will be more engaging for you guys. And I thought that'd be a great idea because I love the way how he producing his vlogs. I attended the course. One of the first tasks was, along with him, create a short movie. Like a kind of a silly, funny idea about anything. Because we're traveling and because I also love caravaning, I thought that'd be a good idea to work around that. So we're supposed to find out some silly idea, and the idea for me was how we hate caravaning and why everyone should do that. I thought that'd be funny, and when I done the whole video, I actually saw that along the way I answer one of the most important questions which all of us had before we got our first caravan. And the question is, well, you'll see that on the film. Did you know that all of the homes you're carrying with you, like motorhomes, caravans, vans, buses, they got one thing in common? We're usually treating them not like the second home, but like a member of the family, like a second child. And the reason why I'm saying this is quite simple. It's because whatever goes in needs to go out. So why I'm thinking it's more like a baby than the house? Because this is like a diaper. You have to change it every day. Also, it's not like the normal house where you don't have to do any maintenance most of the days. Instead, you have to care about it every single day. If you're thinking about buying caravan for yourself, first of all, it's not like that amazing views that are all the time there and they are just waiting for you to park and look at them. Most of the times, the amazing views, they have really bad weather conditions. Like all the cliffs in Cornwall where we usually go, the weather is so bad there then you can't sleep all night. Another point you need to think of, it is quite busy. And summertime it's quite hard to find the proper spot for you. Yeah, and also there's the poo situation, which we talked about at the very beginning. You can think about that in 2 ways. First of all, you can treat it like a walk of shame. In the morning, most of the male part of the caravan side needs to empty the toilet cassette, which is not a fun thing to do. But if you have a caravan, that's one of the things you have to live with. The other way you can think about everyone else on the field doing exactly the same thing. So that might be a good idea to start conversation with them, meet new friends, talk about number 2 or some other funny subjects. But if, let's say, you park at the caravan field which is empty and you haven't met any single soul. Well, there's always another poo, another place where you can meet someone. Also, there are some less fun reasons to do that, like spending time with your family, being with your kids. So, if you're thinking of buying Caravan, there is one thing you should learn from this video: don't make number 2 in someone else's Caravan. It's not really fun to clean after yourself, and after someone else it's even worse. Other than that, you should totally do it. See you at the camping site. Oh yeah. So how was it? Was funny or not, or what do you think? Let me know in the comment below. As I said, that was just a short movie, and because there is no proper vlog this week, I decided to show you that, guys. Anyway, we are packing up everything to Lake District, and I will probably see you on the way next week. As always, please leave the comment, click like. There is a notification bell somewhere around. Please click it and you will be notified about our next video. See you there. Bye.